Do you know your phone can be monitored? And someone else's is too. Check the description for a link to dive deeper with our top cybersecurity expert. Alright, let's talk about how hackers secretly monitor phones in 2025, and how you can spot it before it wrecks your privacy. First, why phones are the #1 target now. Camera, mic messages, photos, location banking. It's a 24/7 sensor in your pocket. If someone controls it, they control your life. Here's the quick map of attacks you'll hear about. Spyware, from fake links and urgent files. SIM swapping to hijack your number. Cloud account exploits to read your backups. Zero-click attacks that work without you tapping anything. Now, what actually happens? Step by step, without the hacker playbook, just the red flags you should recognize. 1. The romantic video trap. You get a flirty DM or a surprise file. You tap, your screen flickers, and nothing obvious happens. Behind the scenes, malicious code can request invisible permissions, try to read your messages, and ping a server. Battery drain, phone heating while idle data spikes at weird hours, camera activating randomly, mic activating randomly, on-screen warning. Unknown link. Drew. Unknown access. 1. SIM swapping. A scammer convinces your carrier to move your number to their SIM. Suddenly your phone loses signal. Theirs receives your calls and SMS codes. They reset logins, and you're locked out. No service out of nowhere. Carrier emails about changes you didn't make. Login alerts from new devices. On-screen warning. Protect your number like a password. 1. Cloud account leaks. If someone gets your iCloud Google password, or reuses one from a past breach, synced messages, photos, locations, deleted items if they're still in backups. What you notice? New logins, unfamiliar devices listed in account settings, backup downloads at odd times. On-screen warning. Backups mirror your life. 1. Zero-click. The scariest class. These exploit bugs in messaging or calling apps without interaction. There's often no pop-up, just subtle behavior changes. Device crashing, random reboots, disabled updates, security features toggled off, on-screen warning. Update, John's patch the holes. Real-world scenario, anonymized. A partner suspects infidelity and installs stalkerware. They read WhatsApp chats, track GPS, pop the mic on during girls' night. It ends in restraining orders and criminal charges, because that's illegal in many places.